E-Stone, what up, man? Hip Hop Quotable, salute. Support that. Mark D Beats, what up, I got a little request, man. Just drop something on the page, on the book. It's all about the lyrics. So I gotta feel it, man. I'm just picking shit out my notebook, man. That's gonna be on the album. So check me out, man. Hope y'all enjoy it. I said, the universe love me, I can feel it in the air. Tesla coils, I embrace my nappy hair. Like y'all did when I thought nobody cared. Genetic adaptation, so I'm always prepared. When I get cold, you design me to shiver. When I get hot, you make sure I sweat a river. When I flip my car hopping on that slight hill, you use magnetics, so I landed on my wheels. Didn't have a scratch and my homie's still here. Thank you for letting me see this year, this month, this moment, this second, so I can show y'all appreciation for my blessings. Thank you for my mama, my kids, and my ex-wife, and everyone that loved me and cared to help me get right. I give thanks for everything that you taught me, like how to bang to keep these bitch niggas off me. Universe love me, I can feel it in the air. When I needed shoes, Granny bought me a pair. When I was hungry, you made sure that I was fed. And when I'm broke, you keep a roof over my head. I thank you for the birds and the bees and the trees so I can breathe, and fishes of the sea and water to drink that helps grow what I eat. I thank you for my mouth and the words that I speak. I thank you for my unique fingerprints and for making an intellectual militant, a descendant of slaves and islander immigrants. And even though right now my dough limited, you show me I'm connected to the infinite. And when I write, a family's love is the feeling I get. I know the universe love me. I know the universe love me. Hey, I know the universe love me. They show me no matter where I stand on Father Earth, there's tools to persevere. I thank you for the drums, the kick and the snare. It sounds so beautiful. I thank you for my ears. Thank you for teaching me how to sow a seed, write poetry, the messenger of divine royalty. And even on my worst day, I feel like you're swallowing me, like a baby, fresh out the tub, putting oil on me. Woo. I'ma stop right there, man. Y'all can't get it all. You know, it's too many biters and snipers on me. Man, I had to hurt somebody about my craft, you feel me? But like I said, man, support Hip Hop Quotable clothing. Salute E-Stone, man. And Mark D Beats, that's who produced it, man. Check that boy out on SoundCloud, man. He's well-rounded, man. He got some nice stuff, man. Shout out to the real hip-hop heads, man. And get back to the underground, man. Get back to them independent artists that's surrounding your area. And stop supporting these clowns, man. You need to start holding these MCs responsible for what they say. But anyway, I ain't gonna take up too much of y'all time, man. Shout out.